That's the APC office. See what is happening. After dropping a bomb this early morning, by 3, 4 o'clock, they dropped bomb. The next thing they did again, they came back again. They threw fire on the security post. You can see it. There's an APC office. You can see it. You are here this early morning to still observe what is going on. I don't know if this is the place they are doing election. You can see what is happening. This is it. This, you can see what is happening. You can see it. This is the gate. The throw bomb. You can see other glasses. The neighbor compound. You can see what happened to their glasses. Everything. So we are here to quench the fire and see. No problem. You don't communicate on that.